show you guys how to make $100 per day on Clickbank as a complete beginner, absolutely free. You can have $0 to your name and you'll be able to get to $100 per day with this method. Now, what I want you guys to understand is that this isn't instantly, this isn't tomorrow you'll start making $100 per day. You stick with this method and you'll be able to generate a realistic income. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys proof if you guys stick to the very end of this video. Now, for this specific video, you guys should definitely know that there's like multiple niches within affiliate marketing or Clickbank. If you guys don't, I mean, you literally can look at the Clickbank categories once you guys go to the marketplace. But what I want you to understand is that if you want a scalable niche, right, or an evergreen niche meaning it's going nowhere, is the big three, right? Health, wealth, and romance. So in this specific example, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys health, wealth, and romance. So we'll start with health. Now, basically, first and foremost, we need to actually find a product. So I'm going to go ahead and find a product in each niche. So I'm going to go to health and fitness. And guys, for this example, I'm not going to go ahead and go into depth into which offers you should and should not promote. I'm simply going to go ahead and show you guys this method. So what I would do is I would go ahead and press promote, right? I'm not endorsing Flat Belly Fix. I'm just going ahead and pressing promote, right? So I'll go right here and I'll add this one. And then we're going to go back to Clickbank. So, okay, actually you don't have to open them up in the second tab. So next is we're going to go ahead and find one in an additional niche. So we're going to go back to marketplace. Then, so that was health. And then we're going to go ahead and find wealth. So this is all depending on which niche you want to go into. And it's going to make sense in a second. So health, wealth. So we're going to find wealth now. Now e-business and e-marketing. Now, bulletproof profits, guys, I am not endorsing this product. I just want you guys to understand that I am not endorsing this. I don't promote this. I'm just showing you guys how you guys would do this. As far as finding an offer, that's a whole nother video. But what I would do is bulletproof profits. If I wanted to go and promote that, I'd press promote. Okay, I guess I am going to go ahead and have to open these up in separate windows. So I'll go back to the marketplace and then I'll go back to the health and fitness and then I'll go ahead and press promote over here and then create the hop link. Cool. And by the way, guys, what a hop link is simply your affiliate link. Dashboard, marketplace. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, and then last but not least, romance. So the way that you guys find romance products is self-help. And then once you scroll down to sub-niches, right, there's going to be marriage and relationships. So an example could be his secret obsession, incredible conversions for female co-traffic. So text chemistry. To make men love you, the X Factor guide, the #1 to get your ex back, highest women commissions ever, cold traffic monster. What is this? So attract men / women. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this one, attract men / women. I don't even know what the heck it is, and I'm not gonna go ahead and promote this, but I'm just showing you guys for an example, right? So. Alright, we found our 3 offers within the big 3 niches. I'm not endorsing these once again, but the next step, right, is actually creating your hop link. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a hop link for all 3 of these. Create hop link, create hop link, create hop link, right? Now that we have our affiliate marketing link, what we want to do, right, for the first one is go to bit.ly.com. And it's literally just bit.ly.com. And you're going to go ahead and create a link, right? Now what you do is post your link. Now for time's sake, I'm not going to do this for every single one, but this is basically the make money online. I'm going to say fast cash now, maybe. Is that available? It's not. Fast cash. Click here. So fast cash now, click here. Boom. So here's my new link, right? Now, how do I get people to actually go to this link? Now guys, what I would do is I'll create a bit.ly link for this offer. Then I would go ahead and create a bit.ly link for this offer. So first and foremost, you need to know what your niche is. Are you going to go ahead and do health products? Are you going to go ahead and do romance products? Are you going to go ahead and do health, wealth, and romance? Which one are you going to go ahead and pick? Pick a niche. Once you pick a niche, find an offer. Once you find an offer, what you're going to do, right, is actually create a hop link. Once you create the hop link, we're going to go to Bitly, and then we're going to go ahead and actually customize this link. So for the Make Money Online niche, it's fast cash now. Click here, right? I'm saving it. Now what I need to do is I need to figure out how to actually find people and get them to this link, right? Now, instead of just one-stop shop, I want consistent visitors to my affiliate link. So how am I going to go and do that? I'm going to go and do that by creating a YouTube channel. Now, how do you actually create a YouTube channel? I'm going to go ahead and basically show you guys how to actually find people to model, right? Instead of you doing this yourself, just model what's already working, right? So what I'm going to do, right, is I'm going to go and search these different keywords. So I'm going to go and search keywords that are related to my affiliate offer. So here's an example, how to lose weight. For the weight loss offer, you type in how to lose weight, and then literally videos are going to go ahead and come up. Now, the one that I found, right, somebody to model is gravity transformation. I'm going to show you guys that in a second, but I want to show you guys it for all three. So the next niche is so the romance niche, right? So here's the romance niche. Basically, I was scrolling, I typed in how to attract women, so I'll go ahead and basically promote a product around how to attract women. If I'm going to go ahead and promote a product on how to attract men, then I'm going to go ahead and put in how to attract men. That's going to go ahead and be the actual keyword that I'm going to be searching, right? But under how to attract women, I found far from average. And then last but not least, so here's health, here's romance, here's wealth, right? So in the wealth niche, how to make money online, right? There's how to make money online, there's how to make money, there's different keywords that you can search, right? Search a keyword. Once you search a keyword, find an account. So in this video, I have Millionaire by 21. Now, basically, how to Millionaire by 21. He actually commented on one of my posts recently, showing that my YouTube channel actually inspired him to create a Make Money Online YouTube account, right? And ever since then, right? Let me actually click his. Right, he's at 67,000 subscribers. So he actually passed me. He said I inspired him. He passed me, and right, he makes over $10,000 a month by doing this exact method that I'm going to be teaching you guys, right? So here's how it works, guys. Basically, what you do is you go ahead and find one of these channels, right? We're actually going to go to the actual channels here, right? So far from average. This is in the romance niche. We have gravity transformation. This is the weight loss niche. And then we have Millionaire by 21. This is the Make Money Online niche, right? Now, so basically, whatever niche products you want to go ahead and promote, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and actually find someone to model. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to start doing research. And what I mean by research is I'm going to start watching their videos. So I'm simply going to go ahead and click the videos, right? I'm going to watch anywhere from 5 to 10 of their videos. And then I'm going to go ahead, what you can actually do is you can sort by most popular, right? So most popular, then I'm going to go ahead and sort by most popular, depending on which niche you're in, sort by most popular. And then you want to study two things, right? You want to go ahead and study the thumbnails. So if you notice, the most popular ones that this romance, right, far from average, the most popular ones has a thumbnail with a gray background and a girl on it. So girl, gray thumbnail, girl. Okay, I studied the thumbnail. The next thing that you want to go ahead and study is the actual title. What is the title? How to attract girls without saying anything. How to talk to girls, never run out of things to say. How to attract 99% of the girls, right? Cool. So you understand what type of content they're producing. Then the next step is to actually click the videos and watch the videos, right? Once you watch the videos, it's going to go ahead and basically break down the type of content that they're producing. Now, you're probably saying, Eric, how am I going to make money on this? Stick with me. Watch this to the very end, and then it's going to go to make sense. So over here, we have the same thing, right? 10 exercises all men should avoid. 10 best exercises to lose weight at home. 10. So if you notice, guys, the best performing content that this person created, they all start with the number 10, right? So if that's working, then why shouldn't you, or that's the type of content you should create. Ones that start with 10 within the weight loss niche, value-based content. And I'm going to explain how you're going to monetize this in a second. And last but not least is over here is best ways to make money online, how to make money online 2019, best ways to make money online, how to make money online. So guys, if you notice, his top 3 literally have best ways to make money online and how to make money online as keywords. So with that being said, that's what I'm going to model. Best ways to make money online 2019? How to make money online 2019. Literally, he's giving you the answers as far as what's working for him. His top videos has those keywords. And then, so this is the type of titles you should be creating. These are the type of thumbnails you should be creating, right? They all have an arrow on it. They all have a red circle on it. So these are things that are working, right? So I know the type of thumbnails they're using. I know the type of titles they're using. I know the type of content they're using because I'm watching the actual content. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and duplicate it, right? I'm going to go ahead and create the same similar type of titles. I'm not saying copy. I'm going to model, create the same type of titles, right? Create the same type of titles, create the same type of titles, depending on which niche I'm doing. So guys, obviously, if you don't want to talk about attracting women, create a YouTube channel around content that you would like to talk about. So me personally, I wouldn't mind talking about women, right? I actually am... not to get off topic here, but I'm okay when it comes to that category. Like, I do well when it comes to talking to women. So I could actually create a YouTube channel around that. I'm not going to, but I could. As far as losing weight, I'm skinny as hell, right? I'm not buff. I'm not going to go ahead and create content around losing weight, right? That's just not what interests me. And as far as making money online, I mean, just to show you guys I practice what I preach, here's my YouTube channel, right? Look, making money online. But I'm actually a little bit more niche down. I teach people how to make money through affiliate marketing. So that's my niche. So find your products that you're going to be promoting, and then it'll basically, once you find the type of products that you want to promote on Clickbank, then you want to go ahead and search keywords, right? Let's go back to the original example. Search keywords. How to lose weight are things that people are going to be searching who want to actually buy weight loss products. How to attract women are keywords people are going to be searching of people who are going to be willing to actually buy products that are going to teach you how to attract women. How to make money online is basically keywords that people are going to be searching when it comes to how to make money online, those type of products, right? So once we find these products, then we're going to go ahead and find these actual far from average, gravity transformation. Let's just say, for example, you were a girl. So instead of far from average, you would go to model Marnie, the personal wing girl, right? She created it. She literally has a personal brand. And then what they're doing is, I'm going to show you guys how to actually monetize it. So remember this bit.ly link that we had, right? I'm literally going to go ahead and show you guys my last video that I just uploaded a couple of minutes ago. Clickbank funnels made easy, right? So I'm going to go to Creator Studio, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what to do next. So once you guys actually see what's working, right, what you're going to do, this is how this stuff works. It's called the 80-20 rule. You're going to have 80% of your content being value-based content, so you're teaching people something within that niche, right? So obviously these people are searching for these keywords, right? This keyword is how to create a sales funnel. So if you notice, guys, literally I just uploaded this an hour ago, and I already am ranked number three for these different keywords. So I typed in how to create a sales funnel for Clickbank. I'm ranked for those terms. So when people search these things, they're going to go ahead and stumble across my video. Now, how am I going to go to monetize this? With the links in my description. If you notice here, the first link in my description is Clickbank Sales Funnel Software. So my Clickbank Sales Funnel Software is ClickFunnels. Once they click this link, right? Remember I told you guys the bit.ly link, the branded bit.ly link. I created a bit.ly link. Now this isn't a Clickbank product. Where are we? This isn't a Clickbank product right here, but it's still an affiliate product. So you guys can do the same thing for your affiliate offers. Now just to show you guys my back office, this isn't something I promote on the everyday basis, but within this affiliate offer alone, I made $12,000. And within the last 30 days, I've made $1,000 in passive income. Look, one YouTube video, right? So with that being said, you guys can leverage this same thing. So just to recap what we're going to be doing, we're going to be finding an offer on Clickbank, right? Within the three big niches. You can do whatever niche you want, but I'm going to say health, wealth, and romance. Once I find offers that I want to promote, then I'm going to go ahead and literally type in the keywords on YouTube. So how to lose weight is something that they're going to search. How to attract women or how to attract men, depending on which route you want it to go. Or how to make money online, right? Then I'm going to go to find the actual people who have a niche-based account, right? Far from average only creates, they only create content on how to attract women. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to their most popular, see what their most popular is. I'm gonna go ahead and literally watch the content. I'm gonna see what the thumbnails are, model the thumbnails, and I'm gonna model the titles and the keywords. I'm gonna actually create the content. I'm gonna upload the content. But you want to make sure at the end of your content you have a call to action. What is a call to action? A call to action is simply when you are referring your affiliate offer. Meaning, here's an example, right? Hey, so in this video I taught you how to attract girls without saying anything. This was only an 8-minute video, right? But hopefully you gained some value. If you guys want to know more in-depth details, or you want the step-by-step process on how to attract girls, not just without saying anything, but you just want to know how to attract girls in its entirety, go ahead and click the first link in the description, and I have, boom, and then you go ahead and basically recommend your offer. And your offer could be tied to how to attract girls, right? And then what they're going to do, because you've given them value on your YouTube channel, they're going to go ahead and buy your stuff. Now, the cool thing is that what I'm going to do is, people are like, well, I don't have any subscribers yet. Cool, it doesn't matter. This guy, right, this guy ranked for how to lose weight. So the key, guys, is to rank under these keywords: how to lose weight fast, whatever, or how to attract women. Whatever these keywords are, you're going to create this content around these keywords, and then eventually, as people search for these keywords, your content's going to come up. You're going to provide value. You're going to make a recommendation at the end of your video. You're going to send them to that link in your description. That's going to be free visitors, free traffic, aka free sales, free commissions, and it's going to go ahead and allow you guys to get to $100 per day and beyond with your Clickbank affiliate marketing.